Orange County is a vibrant hub with diverse landscapes from beaches to mountains. It's a place where laid-back living meets bustling opportunities. Imagine your property nestled in this dynamic environment, attracting tenants eager for both work and leisure.
With attractions like Disneyland and a thriving job market, Orange County is a rental hotspot. The mix of suburban charm and urban convenience makes it a prime location for property investment. Let's explore why this area is perfect for your next venture. At AllView, we offer end-to-end property management solutions tailored to your needs. From tenant placement to 24/7 maintenance, we ensure your property is in expert hands. Our services are designed to maximize your investment's potential. Our personalized approach means we align our strategies with your goals. Whether it's a single-family home or a multi-unit complex, we handle everything with precision. Experience peace of mind knowing your property is managed by professionals. Our pricing model is straightforward and competitive. With no hidden fees, you only pay for the services you need. Our AllView 360 degrees guarantee ensures transparency and accountability, giving you confidence in our partnership. Maximize your property's profitability with our competitive rates. Our comprehensive management includes everything from inspections to advertising, all at no extra cost. Enjoy the benefits of a hassle-free property management experience. Choosing AllView means increased income and reduced stress. Our expert team handles every aspect of property management, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Recap the benefits and see how we can transform your investment. Ready to elevate your property management experience? Contact us for a personalized consultation. Let's work together to unlock your property's full potential. Take the next step with AllView and watch your investment thrive.